how's everyone doing today? Hope everyone is having a blessed, positive day today. So we have more good news. Yes, more good news. So I just wrapped these bad boys, and it came out good. My rapping skills have went up to a 3-star level. So, but today, guys, I'm going to show you how to install the 370Z doorknobs and show you what to do if one of your screws happen to fell inside the door. So you guys stay tuned and we will be right back. So we are back. Yes, back right here. So today we're going to be installing the doors. As I was taking the door knobs off, my screws dropped, so self-explanatory, you guys see it. So it actually comes with the light. Where that thing at?
It's on.
Okay, it's on. See what we got. I heard it. I heard it. I heard it. Oh, we got it. We got it. Wow. So, that was the button to open the door. Luckily, the Nissan, they did update, because back in the days, well, with the 2016 that I had, on the doorknob, and this wasn't rubber, it was just this button. So you drop that, they updated that and made a mesh, so if you do drop the button, you still can press it.
Guys, that was my fault. I didn't mean to.
Woo! So next thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna pull this bad boy out, and we're gonna get started with the door knobs for you. So first thing first, after I uninstalled this, I did put it back on so I wouldn't lose it, of course. So we gotta take this off.
Kuya's home. Kuya's home.
Oh yeah.
He always sets
That's
off
on the
alarms.
daily.
If you want smoke,
This is when shit get real. My previous videos, I know with the 370Zs, everything around the car is like 10 million, so we're gonna use the same thing. Can't forget the ratchet.
Fatality.
Guys, just the one side for you. Man, that was stressful. Had to make sure I ain't got no screws or nothing. Oh, you got it.
I couldn't see anything.
Appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for letting me show you how to put the 370Z door handle back on. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour around the car to see how the door handles came out.
Fatality.
Rise and grind, everyone. Hope everyone's having a blessed day today. Everyone make sure to go follow me on Instagram and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for all the love and support. Have a blessed day.
Flexing,